Hi, wow, it's an impressive presentation about your project, and I'm really interested to working on it. As I think the existing new creating new website would be great here because we can implement our ideas and the UI would be perfectly designed from us. So that's how I would like to develop new website for you. I have point some bullet point here like you have existing plan like you will sell your courses on monthly basis and also instant they can start your courses or you can add pre-recorded classes for your purposes. And also you have said that you would like to set up the membership here, so all the things can be done within WordPress. So we can develop how the way you want it. So there will have few option like all the course system payment would be perfectly fine here. People can register and log in for your courses and purchase your courses, and then they will get the access to view your lessons or content you have provided. And we can upload PDF, videos, content, text, whatever you want. You can do everything. After completing the courses, you can generate certificates. That would be more interesting in my point of view. And you also concerned about the time frame. Yes, we are able to develop the website within 25 days or 20 days. uh, you can see behind me and here we are working as a team here, so we can do faster than anyone on Fiverr, probably because our working time is around almost all the time we were working with shift wise. So you will get the best support from us. And also after developing existing website, we maintain the website like we have monthly subscription to maintain the website. Also we advertise that website to go to get more sales and properly maintain that website. Also we maintain social medias, so probably you will get everything from us. So let's get connect and let's get start about this project. I would like to connect with you for this project, so we can yeah, I properly get it how we have to do it. So what we need actually, if you want to implement the website within this website, perfectly okay, we can do that. But if you want to do it in another brand new website, so we need that access uh, to get started. So let me know what you want. We are able to do that whatever you want. Thank you very much. It's a perfect discussion with you. I'm impressed with your video. I'm still seeing your video here. Thank you very much.